Muy bien, so question words. Question words, this is a section where we have important question words that you all do need to know. We used to have this at the back of the books for reference, and then we realized nobody ever looked at them. So then we placed it in front. We will go over it, and then we will start using them later on. Right now what we're going to do is we're just going to go over them so that we can pronounce them, know that they are there, and then we'll talk a little bit about a few of them. Okay, we have already used one last week, right? Last week did we do where is, right? Right? Donde está versus donde es, right? Okay. First question word is going to be how. How in español is como, right? And that brings us to the most common question of them all, which is how are you, which is ¿Cómo estás? Right? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? If you're speaking to somebody familiarly as tú. If you're speaking to somebody formally, you would say ¿Cómo está? You would drop the S. That is something that you will see later. If you're addressing a group, you will say ¿Cómo están? Now you will throw in an N in the ending. Okay? How many? ¿Cómo se dice how many? ¿Cuántos? And if it refers to feminine, you will say ¿Cuántas? Correcto. How many guys? You would say ¿Cuántos hombres? And how many ladies? ¿Cuántas mujeres? How many days? ¿Cuántos días? And how many weeks? ¿Cuántas semanas? Correcto. And then we have here the exercise. How many days more? You would say
¿Cuántos días más?
¿Cuántos días más? How many weeks more?
¿Cuántas semanas más?
¿Cómo se dice more?
Más.
Más. And más is also going to be else. Okay. ¿Cómo se dice else? Más. Correcto. ¿Cómo se dice what else? ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? Muy bien. Now, cuántos and cuántas is going to be how many. You get rid of the S, and now you have how much. ¿Cómo se dice how much? Cuánto, correcto. If it refers to masculine, how much? When it refers to feminine, you would say cuánta. Cuánta, correcto. How much money? You would say cuánto dinero. And how much debt? You would say deuda. See that E and that U? EU, that's a diphthong. E and U become one sound, eu. Deuda, two syllables. Let's say that again. Deuda. 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 See when you say cuánto, that U, A, that's also a diphthong, one sound. Cuánta. See, diphthongs is when we combine two vowels to make an unbreakable sound. Okay, and in the material about diphthong that I forwarded, there was also some vocabulary that would be a good idea to go over and try to learn a few extra words. Then what? What in español is? Okay, right? As in, what do you guys want? You would say ¿Qué quieren? ¿Qué quieren? Notice that que has a silent U, right? Remember we talked about silent U's with G to obtain the sounds ge and gi. There's also two other instances when we have a silent U in Spanish, and it happens with Q. The sole purpose of existence of Q in Spanish is to obtain the sounds que and ki. Okay? Always with a silent U. Okay? Because this sound here is ka, right? Like house, casa. This sound here is se, like downtown. ¿Cómo se dice downtown? Centro. Centro. This one is si, as in ciudad. Right? We saw that. Ciudad. This one is co, as in how. How is Como. And this one is ku. As in how much? How much is? Cuánto. Cuánto. Ka, se, si, ko, ku. Just like in English. Cat, center, circle, Columbus, and cute, right? In English, the same thing happens. In Spanish, the way we get this que sound is with these. Q is used to obtain the que and the ki sound. Always with the silent U. Okay, so U is going to be silent 4 times in Spanish. Twice with Q and twice with G, as we saw last week. Okay? So what is... ¿Cómo se dice what? ¿Qué? Muy bien. What do you guys want? ¿Qué quieren? ¿Qué quieren? Right? See right there? ¿Qué quieren? Say that again.
So it's you and they.
Well, the conjugation, in Spanish, you don't have to say the subject pronoun. I'm sorry, it's what do they want? It's the same conjugation. ¿Qué quieren? Right? But see, ¿qué? Q-U-E, quieren, Q-U-I. Right? So we combine both instances.